Hey guys, welcome back. So we are hauling again. I feel like I just posted a haul the other day, but that was a Sephora haul. This is an Ulta haul. So two completely different things in my opinion. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you think you were ever going to see my real hair again? No, I don't think you are. Okay. Ponies for life. That's it. That's what it is. I went on the Ulta website because they had sent me a 20% off coupon and I was like, yeah, that's what I want. And there was something that may or may not be on my eyes that I really, really wanted to buy. And somehow I ended up placing 3 orders. Some of these things are out of their packaging because I originally only placed 1 order. I didn't think it was going to be this huge thing. So I just, unwrapped everything, just threw it with my makeup and then placed 2 more orders. And then I was like, okay, maybe we should just do a haul because Jesus Christ, this is a lot of makeup. So I'm just going to jump into it. Everything is thrown in these 2 big old boxes here. So I'm just gonna grab whatever is on top. Ideally, I would have liked to do everything that's unwrapped first, but tis not the case. So let's just move on. I will start with what is on my eyes today, which is the reason I placed this order in the first place. This is the Lunar New Year palette by BH Cosmetics in collaboration with Gigi Yang. I am obviously wearing this on my eyes today. I did do a tutorial on this. If it's already up, I will link it up here. If it's not already up, then it's coming next. So stay tuned. But this palette is so stunning. Obviously, it's not in the packaging because I just used it. And you can see there's like a hole in there because I went in. I was not playing games today. This palette just needed to be in my collection. And I'm so glad that I picked it up because it's definitely different than anything that I own. It's very red, burgundy. It has all these pressed glitters, which, spoiler alert, are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I think that BH Cosmetics did an incredible job with this palette. But I've already talked extensively about it, so tutorial. What else is in the mystery box? Who knows? The next thing I'm pulling out is the MAC Gently Off Micellar Water Wipes. I am about 99.9% positive that this was a free gift because I definitely did not buy this. But good to have. I love makeup wipes. I'm a makeup wipe kind of a bitch. So next thing I'm pulling out is this brow pencil, which I obviously already unwrapped. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade 6. You guys know I always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, but I used to use this and I don't remember why I stopped. I think I just ran out of it and then never picked it up again. So I'm going to see if I like this or the Anastasia one better. I am wearing the Anastasia one in my brows today in the shade Granite. That is my favorite shade, although I sometimes do use medium brown when I feel so inclined. This is the next thing I pulled out. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. I had to check because I did buy the one in white. This is my favorite liquid liner. I'm not going to take it out because I already have one that I'm using and I'm pretty sure it's like brand new. This is the liner that I'm wearing today. This is my favorite. They just don't make them like this anymore, okay? I have so many backups of this. Every single time I place an order on Ulta, I'm just like, let me just throw one in my cart because I am bound to need it sooner or later because I use it so much. I do also really like the Melt Cosmetics liquid liner, but I still think this one is better. The Huda Beauty liner is nice also. This one is still better. Oh, look, speaking of the devil, this is the NYX liquid liner in the shade Blanc, which is white. I mean, it says it here, Blanc. But then over here it says white. So I don't know if it's called Blanc or white. I don't know. It's a white liquid liner. I have been kind of into doing cool liner recently. Like every time I do a tutorial, I'm like, do some weird liner. But I can't do it every time. You know what I'm saying? I did it for that one Lunar Beauty tutorial, which I'll link up here if you didn't see it. And I'm kind of just like, you need to lay off of it just like a little while longer and then you can do something cool. So I usually use liquid lipsticks to do that with, and I'm not sure how safe those are. I'm still going to probably do it though. So I decided to pick up a white liquid liner so I could do something real cool with this. This one I can open because I don't have a white liquid liner that I'm using currently. Except I can't open it because I'm like a frail little girl. How do you open this? You know what? I'll open this when I have scissors. This is not the time. Next thing I'm pulling out is MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I mean, who doesn't use Fix Plus? Like, do you even exist if you don't use Fix Plus, honestly? Oh, this is what it looks like. I always do that. Max Fix Plus. It's like impossible to say MAC Fix Plus. It's hard. My MAC Fix Plus is not this like cool, like graphic kind, because it's super old. So it just has the Fix Plus down here. But basically mine it's like I said, it's super old. I'm almost out, especially since now I have, say it with me, dry skin. I say it in like every single video. I have to like drench my skin in this or else it's no good. I did just put it back, obviously, because I'm still using the one that I have up. But she's real close. She's like right there. I did pick up 2 beauty blenders. Actually, wait a second. It's 2 in that box and 1 in this box. So I picked up 3 beauty blenders. So dramatic. Let me tell you what happened. One of my pink beauty blenders broke. Like it was beyond the point of repair. So I was like, okay, I have to pick up a beauty blender. How it turned into 3, I don't know. I obviously already unwrapped these 2. But yes, it was 3. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Urban Decay eyeshadow that I did already unwrap. This is the shade Blackout. If you guys saw my, what tutorial was that? I think that was the Eternal Eclipse tutorial also. You guys saw that my Natasha Denona Black is Black eyeshadow, she is RIP. My daughter got to her and she's gone. So I wanted to pick up another black eyeshadow, but I didn't want it to be the Natasha Denona one. And obviously Natasha Denona is not even available at Ulta. Anyways, I honestly have so many matte blacks in so many palettes, but I need a single one because I use black that often. I am using black on my outer corner today and every other day, in case you're curious. The next thing I picked up is also by MAC. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base. I guess this is the Natural Radiance Primer in the shade Radiant Yellow. I have never used this, I don't think. This is what it looks like. I remember when I wanted to work at MAC so freaking bad. I used to use like only MAC products and I always saw people using this, but I had oily skin and I was like, that's not gonna do anything for me. Well, she dry now, so haha, I'm so excited. I just want all of the dewy primers, all of the dewy foundations right now because it's just really that bad. So I saw this one. I just got really nostalgic for that time in my life when I just wanted nothing more but to work at MAC. So next thing I'm pulling out, that's garbage. Next thing I'm pulling out is Fourth Ray Beauty Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. That's another thing. That's another thing I'm into these days. I need me a good, not even like a setting spray, just like a mist. Like I just need to feel like my skin is hydrated. I saw this one. It looked like maybe it was going to help me out. So I picked it up. I know Fourth Ray Beauty is like ColourPop Junior or something. So let's see what the spray is looking like on this one. That was beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, first impressions, the mister on this is just amazing. It feels like it's just kissing your skin. It's so soft. I am so excited about that. Wow. I used to never be into setting spray at all. Like I would never set my makeup, but recently it's kind of been an obsession. So I'm just trying to get all of the nicest like dewy setting sprays that I can find. If you guys have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments because I need that. Next thing that I'm grabbing is this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Exfoliating Cleanser. I said exfoliating really weird there. Exfoliating cleanser. I'm almost out of my Murad cleanser, which I've been using for years, actual years. And I know that Murad is sold at Ulta, so I really could have picked that up if I really wanted to, but I didn't really want to because I love the moisturizer actually. I love the moisturizer from this line. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin. This is what I use right now, and I love this. My moisturizer is almost done, so glad to have that. But this I've never tried. But since I love the moisturizer so much, I thought maybe this would help out my crusty scales on my skin, you know? So who knows? I love exfoliating cleansers, like the only kinds of cleansers that I will use, even when I was dry. Like they have to be exfoliating. I don't care. They don't need to be foaming. They don't need to be like anything. Just exfoliate my face and we can hang. So next thing that I'm grabbing is by Buxom. This is the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in the shade Covert Affair. If this is your first time on my channel, you probably don't know, but I have a lip liner problem. It's an actual problem. I'm obsessed with buying lip liners and I cannot stop. Specifically nude lip liners. I am just on the hunt for the perfect nude lip liner, which I did find already. So why am I still going? I don't know, but I still am. Perfect nude lip liner, by the way. Nude 2 by KKW Beauty. You're welcome. But I'm still buying lip liners. This one is super thick. This one is like, she real thick. So this is in Covert Affair. If this is so thick, like how am I going to sharpen this? You know what? I'm just going to cross that bridge when I come to it. Okay, so this is the swatch of it. It's very, very creamy, but it's definitely not nude. That looks more like I would wear that with something that's more terracotta. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh, look, another lip liner. This one is also by Buxom, but this one is in the shade Undercover. It's a problem. It's a real problem, okay? I don't know how this happened to me, but like one day I was just chilling, not even using lip liners, and you know, now it's a whole issue. This does come, by the way, I didn't even show you, with a little brush on the end. I don't know why, because I will absolutely never use those, but you know, whatever. This shade is nice. It might be nice for me. Let me see. This one is Undercover, and then this one is Covert Affair. It looks cute. It looks cute. I think this one is definitely going to work out more than the Covert Affair shade. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Burt's Bees. This is the blush in Toasted Cinnamon. I am certain I don't have to tell you who made me buy this. I'm positive of it. This is what it looks like right here. I'm trying to open it, but it's just, I'm failing miserably. If I could just. No, I can't just. So obviously, Kathleen Lights talks about this blush nonstop. She's actually the only person I've ever heard talk about this blush. But she like literally doesn't stop talking about it, so I felt like I needed it. This is what it looks like right here. It's kind of like a nude-ish orange. I don't know. It has just like a touch of warmth, but it's definitely like on the nude side. I feel like this would go really good with everything. They did have more shades, but this obviously was the only one that I wanted. So, and it looks like the last thing, which is strange because I felt like I ordered so much more. I did order some hair products, but those are in my bathroom, and I was way too lazy to put them back in this box. So this is another lip pencil. Yay! This is by Juvia's Place. This is in the shade So Rare. I don't even think I looked up swatches of this. I think just like on Ulta, it just looked like it would be cute. And so I bought it because I have issues. I hate this kind of packaging. Like, I don't want to have to deal with this. Oh, okay, that was actually way easier than I thought. So again, this is the shade So Rare. It is a retractable lip pencil, and let's swatch it over here. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is gonna be my new favorite lip pencil. This is beautiful. This is it right here. This is like the exact color of lip pencil that I need in my life every single time I wear a new lipstick. Like, this is what I want. This is what I was searching. Thank you, Juvia's Place. So Rare. Oh my god, I can't wait to use that on the lips. So that is it. I guess that was a relatively small Ulta haul. I thought that this was going to be so much longer. For some reason, I thought I had so much more stuff than I ended up having. I feel like kind of strange. Like, did Ulta just not send me some of my stuff? This was 3 orders. Like, what did I get? 1 thing per order? But anyways, that is it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and TikTok. All my social media, okay? It's all the Katie Danger. I promise it's not that hard to remember. Do I ever post on Snapchat? No. Do I ever post on Twitter? No. Do I ever post on TikTok? No. But you should still follow me. Instagram I definitely post on. Don't forget that if you guys like this look, I either already posted a tutorial on it or I am posting a tutorial on it. So either stay tuned or look in the cards, because either way, like, it's coming. It's on my channel somewhere, either in the future or right now. That's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. What is this hair doing? I'm just confused by it. I'm confused.